Hello everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our today's session, we will be discussing about shorthand if-else statement. In our previous session, we learned how we can write shorthand if statement. That means when we have a single condition, we can write it in one simple line. We don't have to switch lines for that. We can do it in one single line. Similarly, we have another similar method, which is shorthand if-else statement, where you can write if-else statement in one single line.
Also, if you want to become a successful data analyst and you want to learn from our industrial experts, then you may call on the number given below, or you can also click on the link given in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So let's get started, guys.
Let's see how it is done. So coming to the point of shorthand if-else statement, I will also write it down over here. Shorthand if-else statement. Okay, now let's see what happens in shorthand if-else statement. I'm considering the similar example that marks are is equals to 75. Now, how to write, what is the method to write shorthand if-else statement is, first we start with the print statement. That print, what we have to print? We have to print good job. When we have to print this good job, if the marks are greater than 80. We have to print this good job if our marks are greater than 80. If it is not greater than 80, in that condition, else we will be printing better luck next time. Okay. So here how I have written it down, I have written print good job. When I will print the good job, when the condition is that the marks are more than 80. If they are not more than 80, that is the else, we will print better luck next time. Let's see what happens. It says better luck next time because given here our marks are 75. At the same time, if I switch it to 83 and run the code, it tells me good job. That means our program is working, and this is how we can write a if-else statement in one single line. So these shorthand if statement and shorthand if-else statement were nothing but just the example or a different methods of how we learned if and if-else statement in the starting. It's just a short trick of doing it, how we can write a statement in one single line. Simple method, we just have to write the print, what we want to write. If that condition is satisfied, I will be writing a condition after writing what needs to be done. So if the condition is satisfied, what needs to be done has to be written first. Second thing is the condition itself. Third thing is if it is not satisfied, what will happen? That is the else. And again, what will happen will be written down. So print good job if marks are more than 80, else print better luck next time. This is your single line shorthand if-else statement. I hope the single line shorthand if-else statement was clear to you. So here we are done with all the 6 types of conditional statement. We learned if the statement, we learned if-else statement, we learned if-else statement, nested statement, we learned shorthand if statement, we learned shorthand if-else statement. These were the 6 types of conditional statements that we learned in this module. Now in our next session, we will be doing problem solving based on the questions related to the conditional statements. And I hope you enjoyed this session. Stay connected and I'll see you in the next session.